How to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Now let's say you have deleted message that you want to recover or want to retrieve. All you have to do is to tap on your profile icon right here on the lower corner and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to go to your account center and scroll down until you find your information and permission. You just have to click on that and click on download your information. After that, you just have to tap on download or transfer information right here and select your Instagram account. Say this one. Now you can choose between downloading all available information or some of your information. In this scenario, we will just recover deleted messages. So we just have to tap on some of your information right here and scroll down until you find messages right here. We just have to tap on that and hit next. You have to download this to your device and hit on next again. Now we just have to create the files on our Instagram account. So now we have requested to download specific information to our Instagram account, and we just have to wait for some time in order for us to download this to our phone. So that's how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Hope we helped.